We are pleased to show you the 2017 Corvette. The Chevy Corvette is America's best-known nameplate. If you are looking for sharp and fast, the Vette is for you. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, supercharged HID headlights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, smart device integration. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.